it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this long ponytail with the little, little ribbon fed through it. It's a high top knot, not top knot, genie ponytail. Y'all, it's something about me in a ponytail. It's just something about me in a ponytail. I think this is my style. This is like me. I feel my best self when I got a ponytail. So I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting out with my hair flat iron from the silk press that I did a few weeks ago. Yes, honey, I told y'all I don't re-flat iron my hair. All I do is once it get old, I take that to use that. I take the silk press to use it as another style. So I'm just going to be putting my hair in a loose ponytail. And I'm just putting it right where I want my hair to sit. Then I'm going to start slicking it into place. I'm using Murray's. I don't use the regular beeswax. I only use the little pomade in the orange jar, like that one. I heat it up so it could get like really loose so that it won't be too thick and turn white. So yeah, I just use some all over my head, and then I'm going to be using my two sprays, Got to Be Glue spray and my Naked Spritz. I get the Naked Spritz from Amazon, or you may be able to find it in your local beauty supply store, but it really just depends on where you live. So I get mine off of Amazon. I can link that in the description bar below if y'all do want to buy it. So anyway, I go in sections, and I start with the Naked spray first, and then I go on top of it with the Got to Be Glue spray because that one dries faster. So yeah, I just do that all around my head until I'm finished and got a sleek ponytail. And once I get it all done, I take the ponytail holder and rubber band stuff off, and I redo my ponytail tighter because, right now I'm just slicking it up. I'm not going to be, having this exact ponytail. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just going to basically redo the ponytail after I get it all molded up. Okay, so now that I have completely finished molding my ponytail up, I'm going to be using some expression hair. You can use any type of braiding hair that you prefer. I just like expression hair because it comes with a lot of hair in the pack. But there's a lot of different hair that comes really long and full. So just use whatever hair that you like. Or if you don't have a hair that's really long, you can just get 2 packs of whatever hair that you like, any canker hair. You just don't want to get that dollar hair because it be like silk. It's don't want to get that. But anyway, I'm taking 2 rubber bands, and I'm going to be tying it around the middle part of one of the little bundles of hair that I did, because I cut the hair in half, and then I always forget what this is called. I did this in another video. Okay, anyways, y'all know I pulled the ends out of the hair. But anyway, I'm going to be attaching that rubber band to my real hair, and I'm going to be splitting it in half. And then I'm going to be making a second ponytail, making sure that one half covers the back of my hair and one half is facing the front of my hair. The reason I do it like this is because I can't hold the front and put the back in a ponytail. And yeah, I can't hold it and put the back in the ponytail. So I have to attach it, then do this step. So after I do that, I'm going to use some of my edge control. Well, no, I'm going to brush it out first. But then I'm going to take out a little section of hair and keep it to the front. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't wrap it around at that moment. I should have wrapped it around right then instead of waiting until the end. Like, once you do this and you take this little piece of hair out after oh damn, I'm skipping steps, y'all. Okay, the other bundle of hair that you have left over from the other half, you're going to split that into 6 even sections. So I did half, and then I did 3 sections, then I did half, and I did 3 sections, because that's what you're going to use to extend the length of your braid. So now that we have that covered, when you take this little piece of hair out, go ahead and wrap it around the base of your ponytail. Now, I have no idea why I waited till the end. I never do that on my clients. That was just really weird. I don't know why I did that. It's crazy because I always do it on myself, but I never do it on my clients. Wrap it around now. I don't know. I be lost. I don't know what I be doing sometimes, y'all. But anyways, I separated it and began braiding. Don't do that. Wrap it now so you have to do it later and then start braiding. But yeah, I'm going to be using some of my edge control. I'm going to put that on my website before I upload this video. So it should be up, and I'll put that in my description, in the description bar. So I'm just going to be separating my hair and the braiding hair into 3 even parts. I mean, it's even as I can get it, at least. So you'll see my hair peeking through a little bit, and I'm just going to be trying to cover that up with the braiding hair. I'm doing the best I can, y'all, because keep in mind, I do not have a mirror. I am looking in the camera to try to do this. So yeah, I'm going to be separating it into 3 parts, and then I'm just going to start braiding. And then once I get down a little bit, that's when I'm going to start adding in that hair. So I'm going to be trying to use, I'm trying to keep the braiding hair on top as much as I can and use the edge control to keep my real hair tucked underneath. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding in the hair, and I'm doing it underneath, between my pointer finger and thumb, and I'm adding it underneath the ponytail. So I'm just gonna do that whenever I get back to this side of my head, and you'll see I'm leaning so that I can see better. So I'm going to one side and I'm not adding any hair, but I'm tucking my real hair underneath. Then on the other side, I'm adding my hair, and then I'm going to the other side and doing the same thing. And I just pretty much did the same thing until I ran out of hair completely. So I added 3 pieces. I braided down a little bit, which was half of that pack of hair. Then once I got down a little bit more and I felt the hair starting to get thin, I started adding to the other side. So this part is basically, the first part of me adding was to make the braid thick. This part is me really just making the braid longer. So yeah, I'm just adding it in where, you could feel when one piece is thicker than, when 2 pieces are thinner than the other piece. That's where you just go ahead and add it in at. So yeah, I'm just adding it in. That was the last piece. I'm using some mousse to continue to braid down so that the braiding hair could be smooth, making sure that I smooth it through so that my braid don't look, lumpy and bumpy or like nappy. And I just completely braided it all the way down to the end. And once I did that, that was pretty much it. After I do that, I'll seal off the end with a little knot, and then I'll go ahead and wrap the base part of my ponytail. Now, let me just forewarn y'all before y'all say, now why did she flat iron that piece of hair? Y'all, I don't know. I don't have a clue. I was trying something new. I really didn't know. I thought it was gonna look real sleek, and honestly, it really didn't make a difference. So you can go ahead and skip this step. Actually, you wouldn't even need to skip this step because you're gonna do it before the braid, right? Yes, you are. Okay. So let's just act like that didn't happen, okay? Yeah. Y'all see that little piece of my hair sticking out? Girl, like what? I'm slick it down and blow dry it in place, because why is that peeking through like that? I know y'all saw me cover that up with that weave, so I don't appreciate that. Then it's this little bump at the top for me. Why did it do that? I know why I did that. It did that because I waited to the end to wrap this piece of hair around. Dang, so now I gotta fluff my braid out. But I was gonna fluff it out anyway, so it's not a big deal. But yeah. Anyways, don't make the mistakes I make. That's why I post these videos, to show y'all how to do stuff and then tell y'all where I went wrong. It really came out super cute though, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, I did a couple little slow things. Like, I would have never did that if that was on somebody else's head, but okay. Anyways, girl, we're gonna get into these baby hairs because this is my favorite part. Y'all already know I always tell y'all this is my favorite part of the hairstyle. And my baby hairs was on fleek, y'all. They really was. I really did my thing with these. So anyways, y'all know I gotta do my little sideburns. Everybody don't like that, so if you don't, just don't do it. Dip my hair in some water, and then I put some mousse on the rest of the braids, sprayed it up, smoothed it out, you know, the same old, blow dried into place. Yes, okay. Now I'm gonna do this ribbon. I was gonna show y'all how I do the ribbon slow down, but the video got extremely long. So yeah, if you're still here, I appreciate you. But yeah, I pretty much just weaved the ribbon through the braid using a crochet needle. Like, honestly, it's really no wrong way to do it. You just go in and out on each side until you get it all the way through. And mind you, I started at the bottom, so I worked my way up. That's kind of, it will probably be easier if you worked your way from the top. But since I can't see the top of my head that well, I don't want to do all that. So yeah, but I just tucked it underneath, and that was pretty much it for this look. I love my hair, y'all. Hope y'all love it too. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. See y'all later. Bye.